Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV. Odhi e gwenge mag Kisii, jotelo mawuok e alwora mag Kuria kod Kuria otimo romo e boma mar Nairobi matwak e weche mopogore opogore koriwo koda kalo thuolo mag tije kod achiel mar oganda mawuok e alworano. Jatend migawo mar somo Julius Ogamba kod jotelo mamoko ka moting'o jaleg kweth mathoth od bura Silvanus Osoro owacho ni wach lweny ma dhi nyime e tong' mar Kisii kod Transmara bende gigoye mbaka.
A threat in our boundaries, geographical jurisdiction, as I've said, between the Kisii and Transmara. The leadership of this forum has discussed intensively on ways we can be able to curb that. You will realize that some of the leaders are not here because we decided to share responsibilities. The governors are not here because they are handling that matter between the Transmara and Kisii, the Kisii governor, the Nyamira governor, the Narok governor are currently holding a meeting with the people within the border region, in Nyamaya, in Mosocho, in South Mogrango, in Kenyenya, in Bomachoge, Borabu. And then the leadership of this other part are also discussing, and after, of course, here we are going to meet with the Minister for Interior as they quell the calm, they seek to cool the tension within the borders. We're also seeking for better ways to perhaps seek a restitution on the affected families, because some of our subjects have passed on, others are in hospitals. So we want to implore on government, and that is why this meeting is very vital, to perhaps seek for restitution structures. Could be paying the hospital bills, paying for burial expenses, and even settling some damages as far as the sugarcane plantation that was